Hi guys, welcome back another video. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to cancel ALDI order. So all official steps you can see on your screen. So let's get started.
Once logged into your account, click on the orders icon or hover over the person account icon and click on My Orders. Click into the order that you would like to cancel. Click Cancel Order on the bottom left of the screen. A pop-up window will appear to confirm your cancellation. Select Yes, I am sure. Please note, once an order is acknowledged in the system, the cancel button will not be available to select and ALDI's online ordering support team is unable to cancel in-progress orders. For delivery orders, once a shopper starts working on your order, you can message your personal shopper directly to request a cancellation. Please note, if you still need help, then you may need to contact ALDI's online ordering support team by filling this form as shown on your screen. Link is in video description box. Fill out this form and follow the prompts according to your requirement. ALDI's online ordering support team is available daily from 9 AM to 8 PM Eastern Time. And you are done.
Dear friends, by using this method you can easily cancel your ALDI order. Hopefully you get my points. If yes, please hit the like button and thanks for watching this video. Bye bye.